baby. It's hot outside. Here in Texas, yes it is. It's been over 100 degrees for months. And my foundation is, it's all screwed up now. You know, we're going to need to do some more foundation work. Anyway, I come out here. And like right now, it's 3:15 a.m. in the morning, and I breathe hot air. Alright, so it's 88 right now, but it's over 100 degrees every day. And I come out here, and I don't want to be out here. And so I'm not a whole lot. And my cooks, I'm still cooking out here, but I get out here, do my cook and go back inside. But when I film a cooking video, it takes like 3 times longer. Y'all don't realize that, do you? A lot of YouTubers my size, we cook outside and we video. It takes like 3 times longer to make the video. And we just can't do that in the extreme heat. And plus I've got a lot of other stuff going on, as y'all that know me know that. But I made some hot dogs tonight. Yeah, those are real quick and simple. But tomorrow I'm making Mongolian beef. A video coming out soon. I made it a couple weeks ago, and it just didn't work out. It was just too hot, and I quit making the video, and I just made the cook, and it was freaking awesome. And so I got everything inside to make it tomorrow for y'all. And that's what I'm going to do. But it's just, right now, even if it's a little under 90 degrees, it's freaking hot. And I hope y'all can understand that. But like I said, I got other things going on in my life. My dad passed away. We got things going on with that. We got work going on. Got a lot of stuff going on. Stick with me. I know about 1,000 people over the last month and a half have left me, but that's fine. You know, that's what it is. But my cooking videos will be back. They will. Maybe they'll be back better. I have no idea. It's Papa. I got some beans coming up for you. We done that before, but these are different beans. And they'll be coming to you. That's right. We got HEBs coming into the area. It's freaking awesome. These beans are only at HEB. And they gave them to me. And we're going to talk about them. Yeah, we are. Alright. So it's 3-something in the morning. I've been cleaning stuff out inside the house, because we don't want to be outside. It's Papa Texas. Hit that bell. We'll see you soon. Stick with Papa. The ones that stick with Papa are the best. The ones that don't, you know what, they'll be back when I start posting again. But they're not terrific like you. You're my boy, Blue. Speed off. See ya.